Okay guys, so we got the steering wheel. I know why somebody was selling it. It's because they didn't know how to take off the airbag and they have done some damage to it. Luckily it can be fixed, but they tried really hard to get the airbag out and they banned the pins for the spring that holds the airbag on one side. They tried to unscrew the screws on the back, which wouldn't work out. Anyways, but I got it out. Took me probably 20 minutes, 25 minutes to take the airbag out. Unreal. Let me show you guys. So, this is the old, and this is the old new BMW M. I like the grip and it's full leather, but let me show you the problem. So there's this spring here and here. This one was bent, as you can see, and we couldn't take this out. Look at this. See this? This is them trying to get it out. I'll show you guys something even more hilarious. Literally, they didn't know what they were doing. They tried to get the steering wheel through this hole. This is the screw that holds trim. This trim here. They tried, and they ripped the leather right there. They were some kind of special pros. And there's the hole. They tried again. There. To get it out. So I want to clean and paint or wrap this plastic piece. As you can see, it's all peeling from the paint. This rubberized matte black paint. Too bad we can't wrap these over. But I like the bottom of this steering wheel is better than the M. But the M is a nice leather steering wheel. Needs to be cleaned, but it's got nice and colors. And the grip is way nicer. It feels nice to hold this steering wheel compared to this. This it feels like you're holding a dildo or something. It's not leather. It's like a rubber, cheap rubber. Hold the touch, and this is nice and warm. There you have it. Maybe I'll just plug in temporarily. This airbag in here. Or just screw this one in. Alright, both of them. This one has only 140,000 kilometers on. And it's not really any damaged anywhere. Where this one, you can see the wear on it. Nothing bad, but you still can see some scuffs on it. So I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so let's get going. It looks nice. It's nice and soft to touch, but it's not a heated steering wheel. The old one is. I'm thinking install back the old one and swap over the the airbag. Drive that one for 2 months, because we have at least 2 months of snow in winter or cold weather, and then swap this steering wheel back on in the summer, because I don't care about heating options on the steering wheel. Or I can try to source out another steering wheel, M, still with the M style with the paddle shifters, because I wanted to upgrade to the paddle shifters, even though you never use them, but it's something I want to have. I'm like 50-50 on it. My wife says she doesn't care about the heating option, and she likes this M steering wheel. I don't know. What do you guys think? I have the trim over there. What would you guys do? Leave a comment and any suggestions. I would love to swap over things, but you can't. So let's install the old one back in here and let's move on. Also, what do you guys think about upgrading the gear knob? Let me show you guys. Yeah, this year. Is there something you guys did and you like the quality of what they send you or not? I'm just afraid of them sending me some garbage style, garbage quality. But yeah, this is it for now on the BMW. I got some supplies for the Cadillac, which I'm gonna work on tomorrow. But for now, the most important part is the airbag. It's in, it's good to go. And what else? Thinking about changing the gear knob. I'll leave the navigation the way it is because this is the aftermarket, not aftermarket, OEM Plus facelift, which I like the way it looks. But we are going to change this camera is driving me nuts. We're going to change this for the digital. There's two companies who do it. I have not decided which one I'm gonna go for, but this and this is the next mod, and also I'll have something for the mirrors, talking about the caps on the outside, and we have to fix the mirrors itself. The driver's side is okay, but this passenger side is like burnt or something. But that's common in the BMW community because they break. And yes, I know they break. And yes, I always buy a BMW. And yes, every time I buy one, I have to fix it. And I still love it. I like the updated 2011 style. It's so much cleaner and nicer to touch. But that's it. Let's reconnect the battery and see if it's gonna explode. The battery sucks in this car. Sometimes it's gonna last for weeks and sometimes it's just gonna die within 2 days. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Yeah. I don't know if it hunks only when the car runs. I can't remember. It's not hunking now. I'm pretty sure I connected everything right. So let's see if I have to reset the airbag. Wouldn't be a BMW without 20 problems. Let's clear all of them and see it come back. So we have only one problem, which is the transmission. What does it say? Gearbox oil wear. But the truth is, when I was rebuilding the car, I had the cooler unhooked and some of the transmission fluid seeped out. So all I have to do is just top it up, and it's gonna be peachy. That's good. Very, very good. And the horn works. Holy crap, that scared me. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it back on. What do we have now? Chassis stabilization malfunction. Then we have set time and date. And then we have start of assistance inactive. Probably just low battery. Let's go back. Time and date. Time is, what time is it now? Yeah. That battery is blah. Should not like it. Check in. Well, maybe boost back. Really? Come on, you can do it. There we go. Running like crap. That's what I said last time. I replaced the valve cover gasket and it runs like crap after that. We'll let it warm up for a little bit. And it's smoking from the front. I don't know if you guys can see. Right there. Actually, let me bring you guys over. And you can see it for yourself. You can see over there that it's smoking, and it comes from the back, and it sounds really odd. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound. Didn't do it before I changed the gasket. I changed the valve cover gasket, and I also replaced the CV valve over there, brand new. The CV valve was broken, but it says that cylinder number 2 is misfiring, and it also says that bank 1 and bank 2 to lean, and then flow to air, something. But I'm thinking if this could have to do something with it. I have another one of those. I just didn't install, and I have to get a seal for this because this was leaking really bad. So I put in a used one from my other car. But damn, it's smoking from the back. At first I thought it was just some oil that dripped down, but I don't know now. What do you guys think? Can it be that the seal
and the back is loose. I don't feel any pressure or any leaks on the back. So that's the story of this BMW. Annoying as hell. There's another BMW my brother picked up as a winter beater. And you see the check engine light is on, ABS lights on, traction control. Traction control is easy, you just go to the left, if you guys didn't know, and all the way to the right, and it's gone. That's how you clear it. One time all the way to the left and one time all the way to the right, and it goes away. And you see, it says it's all okay, but the check engine light is on, and that's very annoying. And my phone is dying, which is even more annoying because when I go to the cold, it dies right away. Okay, so let me charge up the phone. I'm really happy I found this problem. And it's my fault because I was installing the part. But if you zoom in, you guys see right here it's dripping oil. And then I flip you guys over, you see the blue gasket over there and no gasket over here. Honestly, I have no idea how that can happen because you put in the gasket into a groove and it was pretty solid in it. But that's my bad. First time I screwed up something like that. Very embarrassing. So next thing, I'm gonna be trying to fix it. To that, we have to take off all of this again. Great. Remember, double check.